In this video, you'll learn how to place an image inside a shape so it looks clean, professional, and perfectly framed. This is a great technique for creating modern layouts, custom photo frames, or graphic elements that really stand out on the page. Let's start by drawing the shape that will hold your image. First, choose the basic shape you want. If you'd like a simple rectangle or square, select the rectangle tool from your toolbar. Click and drag on your page to draw out the frame. For circles or ovals, switch to the ellipse tool and drag to create the exact size you need. If you want something more geometric, like a triangle or hexagon, pick the polygon tool. When you select the polygon tool, you can adjust the number of sides in the options at the top before drawing, then click and drag to create it. If you're going for a more unique custom look, you can create your own shape using the pen tool. With the pen tool selected, click around your page to place anchor points and define the path of your shape. Close the shape by clicking back on the first point you created. This path will now act as the frame that your image will sit inside. Once your shape is ready, it's time to place the image into it. First, make sure the shape is selected. You should see its bounding box and handles. With the shape selected, go up to the File menu and choose Place, or use the shortcut Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac. In the dialog box that appears, browse to the image you want to use and click Open. The image will automatically drop into the selected shape, turning that shape into a frame and masking anything that falls outside its edges. Now let's adjust how the image sits inside the shape. To move or resize the image without changing the shape itself, switch to the Direct Selection tool, which is the white arrow in your toolbar. Click on the image inside the frame. You'll see the contents bounding box appear. From here, you can click and drag to reposition the image within the shape, or drag the handles to scale it while keeping the shape's outline fixed. For more precise control, go to the Object menu, then Fitting. Here you have a few useful options. Choose Fit Content proportionally to scale the image so the entire thing is visible inside the shape without distortion. This keeps the image's original proportions, but you might see some empty space depending on the shape and image ratio. If you want the shape completely filled, select Fill Frame Proportionally instead. This option also preserves the image's proportions, but it will crop any part of the image that extends beyond the frame so there are no gaps. Finally, refine the overall look of your framed image. With the shape frame selected, you can add a stroke, change its color, or adjust the thickness to create a border around the image. You can also apply gradients or other effects to the frame for a more stylized design. To soften the edges, go to Object, then Effects, and choose Feather. Adjust the feather settings until you get a subtle, soft edge that blends nicely with your layout. And that's it. You've placed an image inside a shape, adjusted it for the perfect fit, and added finishing touches to make it stand out.